Hey everyone, welcome back to my colourful country life. So I am super excited to be sharing this video with you all today. Now when you are seeing this, it'll actually be my birthday, and I thought what better way to celebrate than to give you all a gift. Now what is that gift, you might be asking? Well, actually, you probably already know from the thumbnail and the video title, but it is my updated conversion chart. So about 18 months ago, my previous version was released, and since then I have added 3 more sets. So we now have 12 complete sets in the chart, and these range from high-end brands to budget pencils. So there is a little something for everybody. So if you do want to follow or color along by myself or another YouTuber, and you don't have the pencil brand that they are using, you can just pull up this chart and find a dupe in a set you already own, or maybe just a set that you would prefer to color with. If you're not familiar with my conversion charts, I will tag the video for the previous version up above, which will give you further insight and also delves a bit deeper into how best to use the chart and other practical information as well. So today I just want to talk through the changes that I've made and of course where you can find it. So the 3 new sets that I've included are the Holbein 150 pencil set, the Chromaflow 72 set, and the Artex 126 set. And we also have the previous sets, which include the 120 set of Crayolas, the 180 set of the Brut Funer rounds, and that's with the black barrel. I'll quickly just grab my Brut Funers out, because I have gotten comments on the last video about which set it is. So this is what my set looks like, and it's the black barrel 180 set. We also have the 120 set of Brut Funer square pencils, the 120 Arteza pencil set, 168 Castle Art pencils. Now that actually includes 2 different sets, one of which is the pastel tints, and these are differentiated with the letters after the number on the chart. I'll just lift that up closer for you. So we've got 016 PT Apricot Twist, and that is how you know it is from the pastel tints, because of the 2 letters at the end. And the other set is the 120 Soft Touch pencil set. Now with the 120 Soft Touch pencil set, some of the pencils have new names, a little like how Polychromos changed the names of their pencils from being called Flesh. Castle Art has done likewise with a few different pencils, and in those cases I have put both the old and the new name next to each other on the chart. The pencil numbers, however, haven't changed. I'm just leaving in the old names for now, just in case some people still have the pencils with the original name, like myself. Okay, next are the Black Widows. I've included all 180 pencils, so that includes all of the sets that are available from Black Widows, and you can tell which set a pencil is from by the first 2 letters in front of the number. So we've got MN, which is the Monarch set, SC, which is the Scorpion set, SL, which is Skin Light, SD, Skin Dark, CB, Cobra, BW, Black Widow, and so on and so on. Then we also have the 100 Luminance pencils, 120 Polychromos pencils, and 150 Prismacolor pencils. Now with the Prismas, sorry, I pulled that out so we wouldn't have any glare. I'm sure we are all well aware of the discontinuation of the lavender and lilac pencils. You may have seen the email exchange between myself and Rossdale, who are the Aussie distributors for Prismacolor, floating around the colouring groups. If not, I will put their response up here. So what I've done is written the replacement name and number next to the old information in the chart. So I'm yet to get my hands on the new colours, but I did see them swatched out about a month or so ago. And there are some differences in tone and tint, but at face value, I would say they are passable as dupes. Maybe a little more muted and less of a red-violet undertone. So it may turn out that they fall higher or lower in the chart with a better match. But for the moment, I am going to leave them in the same place. I have left them unswatched as well. I will swatch the new colours into there when they arrive, and I won't be swatching the lavender and lilac there. So I think I've covered all the changes. And naturally, with the addition of the 3 new sets, the writing on the chart does appear smaller in order to fit all the columns across on one page. But if you're viewing it on your phone or your computer, you can always zoom in to see it larger if you need to. Now, this chart is now available up on my website to download for free. I do get a lot of questions from people struggling to find the chart, but it is on the main menu at the top of the page. Just click on charts and you'll find the uncolored version is at the top, and then the pre-swatched version is next, and then all of my other charts are below that. So I will be replacing the older version on my website with this new version. I'll also be adding the new version to my Facebook group, and links to join are down below as well. It'll also be in the files section there in the Facebook group. I will leave the old version there as well, just in case anyone would prefer that version for some reason. I will also add the links to the uncolored version down below in the description. Now, my coloured version that I've swatched is a little different to the uncoloured version because there are a few things that I need to fix up. I am all swatched out at the moment though, so I haven't made the changes in my printout yet. I may do that before I put up the coloured version. It's just minor things, but my perfectionist nature is struggling to leave it as is. It's just simple things, like for example, I forgot to cross out this little section in the R-text. It is crossed out in the uncolored version, so I just need to reprint and re-swatch my page. I could just leave it as it is, but if I'm going to scan it in and put it out there in public, I want it to be perfect. So, and also I haven't added the updated Castle Arts names to my swatched version either. So like I said, just little niggly things, just enough to bug me. Probably wouldn't bug anyone else, but it bugs me. So I may wait also until I have the 2 new Prismacolor pencils as well. I might ring the art shop today and see how they're tracking. And I might do that before I pop this up on my website. When I do though, I will try to remember to link it here in the video description as well. Now, I may put this current swatched out version up on the Facebook group in the meantime. Let me know if that's helpful, if you'd like me to do that. Also, this folder that I'm keeping my chart in, it is just a cheap plastic folder from Kmart. There's nothing special about it. And I've just used my label maker to add the little label on the side. So how it all works, what to do if you can't find a match, why I have the colours in the order that I do, that is all explained in my previous video. If you want to go and give it a watch, so I did tag at the beginning, but I might also put it in the description as well. So otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to share this video around with anyone that you might think would find it useful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I am now off to eat cake. So I will talk to you all very soon. Bye for now.